राजौरी के शैमरॉक ब्लिस इंटरनेशनल स्कूल में आज एक ग्रेजुएशन सेरेमनी को मुनक्किद किया गया, जिसका मकसद एकेडमिक सेशन खत्म होने पर तमाम तालिबे इल्मों को नवाजे जाने का था। इस ग्रेजुएशन सेरेमनी में रोटरी क्लब राजौरी ग्रैंड से लोकेश बख्शी व नीलू बख्शी ने बतौर मेहमान खसूसी शमूलियत की। इस मौका पर शैमरॉक ब्लिस इंटरनेशनल स्कूल की मैनेजमेंट की तरफ से इस साल खत्म हो रहे एकेडमिक सेशन के दौरान स्कूल की कारकर्दगी को बयां किया गया और उन तमाम बच्चों को नवाजा गया जिन्होंने कि इस एकेडमिक सेशन में अपना तालीम को मुकम्मल किया है। इसके अलावा स्कूल की तरफ से को करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ में की गई कारकर्दगी पर भी रोशनी डाली गई और आगामी एकेडमिक सेशन के दौरान बच्चों को दी जाने वाली तालीम के बारे में भी ब्यौरा दिया गया।
Is incomplete with the national anthem of our beloved country. So, मास्टर की जीनत यानी अब्बा के तमाचों से ना हो मेरी दरगत। I would like to call. I would also like to invite Nave's parent to come on stage.
Thank you everyone. Teachers and my dear friends, my name is Ahil. I am going to present.
He is very well, a very warm good afternoon to us. सिंपल वर्ड में कहूँगा, छोटा और बड़ा इम्प्रेसिव फंक्शन था आपका ये, और ये आपके जो लिटिल चैम्प है, इनको देख के मेरे अंदर इतनी प्रसन्नता हुई है, ना प्लेजर फील कर रहा हूँ मैं, बयान नहीं कर सकता मैं।
It was a wonderful program today, and I feel myself highly honored and privileged to be a part of this function, because we haven't seen in our times such functions happening. So it's really wonderful. The feeling I know which the children must be having must be very great. So it's always a pleasure when we get our degrees, when we pass on from one class to the other. So it feels really great, and especially for parents, I think.
He have replied to my queries even in odd hours. Thank you so much. But not the least, a big congratulations for this grand ceremony. Hip hip hooray! May God bless you all. May Shamrock blossoms. May Shamrock prosper every year. Thank you all. Love you all. God bless you all.
Graduation ceremony organized by school. First of all, I would like to congratulate and a thank to Dr. Garu sir, Prati ma'am, and all the teachers who organized such a fabulous graduation ceremony. So, children get a lot of inspiration from this, and such platforms build their confidence level. So, actually, my child is studying in this school from past 4 years, and I am very much satisfied in seeing improvement and remarkable confidence level that built in this school. So I like the teaching system of the school, and finally I would like to extend gratitude towards the school and also wish and hope that these extended efforts would continue. Thank you so much.
All my dear sweet kids and all the dignitaries who are present here and all the parents. So it is a great moment for all of us that this is the first degree that our kids have received today. So my aunt was in so much stress from the last night So I said कि यार okay we are going to take some sweets to the school. यार मम्मा पहले ये तो check करो पास हुआ हो या फेल हुआ हो, उसके बाद we will take sweets. अच्छा हाँ why you are he is just roaming around the whole house you know from morning. अच्छा what is happening हाँ? Mama stressed. I am in stress. Today is my graduation ceremony. So we cannot say that our kids in stress, right? You know nowadays I am also teaching postgraduate students. I am teaching in English department. So what I am watching is there is stress everywhere. So but I think the stress booster of this school is Pragati ma'am. So whenever as a parent I have any stress, I just instantly call him, right from the morning to the night, okay, ma'am, this is the issue. She instantly replies, and the best thing that I think this school is having is the extrovert nature of Pragati ma'am. So what I want for my child is not the academic growth, because all the parents that we are sitting here right now, we all are, academically sound enough to teach us, kids at school. We all are educated. वो ज़माना पहले था कि माँ बाप पढ़े लिखे नहीं होते थे. They used to, think for the outside agencies कि हम ट्यूशन्स भेजें, हम स्कूल में वो एटमॉस्फेयर देखें for the academic growth only. But right now, what we are as a parent, I think for myself, I will say definitely कि as a parent, what I am searching for is to develop extrovert nature of my kid. And this is what I found in Pragati ma'am, कि she is herself very extrovert. And she is always involving my child in Zumba, in public speaking, and overall growth of the student. So, but I just wish or I just advise other parents also, कि if you want the overall development of a child, so this is going to be a very good platform. I am not going to criticize any school, because every school, is doing this, doing that, giving their best. But what I have witnessed, something that is different in this school is the ambience. Is the vibe, is the surrounding that is created by the dear teachers, Pragati ma'am and her team definitely. And thanks a lot, Gadu sir, for bringing this, this branch to our, place. क्योंकि इस जगह में इतना डेवलपमेंट तो हमने देखा नहीं, ठीक है. बट आप जैसे लोगों का कंट्रीब्यूशन यही है सोसाइटी के लिए, दो यू आर अ सोशल वर्कर ऑल्सो. So this is again a very beautiful social work that you have done, that you have brought such a beautiful institution to our small place, that at least our child have been, provided with such a beautiful atmosphere. And congratulations to you, क्योंकि ये हम देखते हैं ब्रिटेन के स्कूल में, हम ये देखते हैं वेस्ट के स्कूल में कि वहाँ पे टीनी टॉडलर्स का ग्रेजुएशन होना है. वी यूज्ड टू वॉच वीडियोस ऑन द यूट्यूब कि कभी हमारे यहाँ भी बच्चों के लिए वो होगा. And for bringing this thing to my teeny toddler, I am very much thankful to you, and I am very much honored from the side of my side and from myself also, that you have created such a beautiful ambience today. Sorry. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much for inviting me here. And first of all, I would like to congratulate our little kids who have got their degrees in this such a beautiful, well-organized graduation ceremony by this school. And much has been explained and discussed by my wife already. But without taking much of the time, I just want to congratulate the team, all the team of this Shamrock West International School, Rajouri, who have worked hard, for providing all kinds of facilities and for all kinds of activities they are doing for growing our kids to have all kinds of exposure that they should have here. So I would again like to congratulate Dr. Gadu sir too, who has brought all kinds of facilities here, and he is also very, because he's busy, he remains busy in doing all other things too, as a social worker too, but he is also very much keen, he is very much vigilant always for looking at what kind of activities, what different things they should do in this school, so that their kids can develop, our students, our kids, little kids can develop up to the extent they should have.